So the first point, this point is called as the leading edge. This point is called as the trailing edge, and the straight line joining it is a chord line. The leading edge, trailing edge, the chord line, it is a straight line. Next one, what is a mean camber line? Now this is your upper surface of the airfoil, lower surface of the airfoil. If you are having all the lines perpendicular to it, chord line, and joining the midpoints, which is dividing the airfoil into equal areas, equal halves, bottom and below. You can see the green line. That's your mean camber line. It is the line joining the midpoints, upper surface and the bottom surface. Next is a maximum camber. So camber is actually the distance between the chord line and the mean camber line. This is a camber. So perpendicular distance, this is camber. Maximum camber is at some point given. We will see how to locate it also depending upon the airfoil. Is the distance between max. This is the maximum camber, which is very important parameter. Next one, location of maximum thickness. Thickness is nothing but distance between the upper and the lower surfaces. Okay, so maximum thickness distance, how much bulging it has to be. This gives you, suppose if the airfoil is defined by an equation, airfoil is usually, now this is your x-axis and this is your z-axis, because we have your wing in the y direction. Extension is in y direction. So perpendicular to the page is the y direction, and the thickness of the airfoil is in the z direction, right? So if I write the equation as z is a function of x, the equation, the curve, we'll be deriving this also. Z is a function of x. Then I need these points. Where is the maximum camber? Where is the mean camber line? And all. The next one is location of the maximum camber. From where it is coming? From the leading edge. See, always these distances, whatever you are dealing, they are dealing with percentage of chord or with respect to the chord line only, because chord line is a geometrical parameter. So if I say that it is 15% of chord line, 15% of C, then it means that it is from the leading edge at a distance of 15% of the chord line. So that's how we tend to see everything in terms of the chord line C. The next one is leading edge radius. So as you can see here, we have a curve at the leading edge. This one. So this leading edge radius is how much amount the flow over it is going to separate when it is touching. It is a subsonic flow airfoil. So depending upon the bulge, the airflow tends to separate over the airfoil. So this is your airfoil nomenclature. Is that clear? Guys, any doubts in this?